Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and today I want to share with you my all-time favorite thrifting finds of 2019. I found this piece back around Easter and I thought it was so pretty. Pardon the glare, hopefully it will focus on the little girl's face. How pretty is her face? And then all of these adorable little bunnies that she's feeding. This is the boat that I bought for my son. It was, I think, $35 and I could not believe how much I spent for it, but it is quite large. And I absolutely adore this little turkey cookie jar. He is so beautiful. He's got produce all around him, and I just love the look of him. He is a Christmas present, so I'm not going to get to keep this guy, but that's okay because somebody else is going to enjoy him just as much as I do. This silver-plated pitcher is not my absolute favorite piece. It just represents the entire collection of silver plate that I have been picking up all year long. I'll have to do a silver plate collection video or something because I was able to grab so many beautiful pieces this year. I'm so excited about it. And moving on to these pieces that I have just recently hauled, here's the beautiful collection of carolers that I grabbed $5 a piece for at Goodwill in December. I'm so thankful that I was able to get those, as well as these beautiful churches. How pretty are they? $6 for the small one and $8 a piece for the larger ones. They are just gorgeous and absolutely a favorite because these are the start of my Christmas Village collection pieces. Even though I'm not going to be able to enjoy this particular picture on my wall in 2019, this is definitely one of my favorite finds of the year. It is a massive picture of flowers and I will absolutely be enjoying this for quite a few seasons in 2020. Do you have favorite thrift finds for this year? If you do, please share them below in the comments section. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notification of new video uploads. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.